Hey everybody, this is your interactive read aloud with Miss B. That's me. Today we are going to be talking about the perfect color. I want you to think about what can happen when artists think about things in a new way. Okay, close your eyes and imagine a sunset. What colors do you see? You might see orange, yellow, pink. You might also see a color that is hard to name. Is it purple? Is it blue? Or is it something in between? This purplish bluish color is brand new. You've invented it. And if you want to see the sunset that you imagine, you will need to make this perfect color. Artists are creative people. They like to imagine common things in new ways. Painters can make brand new colors to match a sunset, a leaf, or a lion's eye. Someday, you might see a painting of a pink elephant instead of a gray one. This painter was having fun with color. How many colors are there in the world? 20? 400? Actually, the number of colors is endless. This is why anyone can invent a new color. To learn how to make a new color, let's talk about something called a color wheel. A color wheel is a circle filled with shades of colors. The most important colors are called primary colors. The three primary colors are yellow, blue, and red. You can make any color in the world by mixing three primary colors, plus black and white. For example, if you mix yellow and blue, you make green. If you mix yellow and red, you make orange. And if you mix blue and red, you can make purple. Now, what if you wanted to make a color like red, just a little bit lighter? You would mix in some white. And if you wanted to create dark blue, you guessed it, you would mix in black. Art stores sell thousands of colors of paint. Some of these colors look so similar that they're hard to tell apart. Many artists like to mix their own paints. They want to use colors they see in their minds, not in the stores. Before artists begin to paint, many of them sort their colors. This helps them get organized so they can find their colors easily. There are many different ways to sort colors. For example, all of the shades of the color red might go in one group, such as orange red, brick red, cherry red, and sunset red. Other groups might include all the blues, midnight blue, sky blue, ocean blue. Artists use lots of different tools to mix new colors and then paint with them. Something called a palette is a flat surface that holds blobs of paint. An easel holds up the piece of paper or canvas that the painting goes on. A paint knife is a flat metal tool without a sharp blade. Artists use paint knives for mixing and painting. Artists paint with brushes of many shapes and sizes. Sponges are great for paint too. Painters like to get creative with their tools. Now it's your turn. Do you remember that perfect sunset color in your imagination? It's time to share the color with the world. The best way to make a perfect color is to experiment. Get your colors and tools together, sort them, and play. Painting is so much fun. First, try to put different amounts of colors together. You might want to use more blue, less red, a little white here, a little black over there. Here's a new question. How mixed up do you want these colors to be? If you stir them a lot, you will get one color. But if you mix them just a little, you'll see some swirly lines of colors. When it's time to do the painting, play with your tools. Try using different sizes and shapes of brushes. If you have fingers, paint with those. Smear the paint with your fingers and hands. You could even try scraping away some of the paint after it's already on the paper. In the end, you will get something that's one of a kind, a perfect color, and a creative work of art. Can you experiment with color? Grab some supplies and create a piece of art using different colors. Then go to your Google Classroom and share your work and your art on your Flipgrid.